China's leading frontier AI lab, MiniMax, just officially launched MiniMax H3, a breakthrough 2K video generation model that is completely redefining what AI video can do. Running on MiniMax's new M3 architecture with a 1 million token sparse context window, H3 isn't just generating short video clips, it synthesizes 15 continuous seconds of native 2K video and 24 kHz stereo audio in a single pass. From fluid dynamics and acoustic physics to complex motion lighting, H3 connects text, vision, and sound simultaneously. Look at this 15-second Noir Jazz opening sequence generated directly inside Hailuo AI. Notice the complex graphic collage layout, hard split-screen borders, and animated typography. H3 handles multi-layered text wipes, character silhouettes, and jazz drum beats without breaking resolution or dropping frames. And it is completely redefining what AI video can do. Look at their official launch reel. H3 isn't just a video generator, it is a native multimodal engine. That means it synthesizes 15 continuous seconds of native 2K video and 24 kHz stereo audio at the exact same time, in a single pass. To show you how powerful this is, take a look at this 15-second Noir Jazz crime film opening. The split-screen borders, the animated typography, the character silhouettes, and the synced jazz drums. This looks like it was made in After Effects. I wanted to test this capability for myself. So, taking inspiration from that format, I wrote a brand new prompt for a retro-futuristic cyberpunk spy thriller. I pasted it into the Hailuo AI generator, set the resolution to 2K, and hit create to see exactly what H3 could do. And here's the video I just created. Absolutely mind-blowing. It perfectly executed the cyan and magenta color blocks, the vector HUD animations, and the synthwave audio. Most importantly, it spelled the title credits flawlessly. Elara Voss, Marcus Reed, and Neon Shadows, all from a text prompt. But what if you need to animate your own specific real-world products without them morphing into weird AI shapes? That's where MiniMax H3's new Omni Reference engine absolutely changes the game. Instead of just animating one starting frame, you can upload up to 12 different assets at once. Right here in the Hailuo interface, I'm uploading 3 completely separate product photos, a pair of Nike Dunks, a Yeti travel mug, and Apple AirPods Max. Notice how the system automatically tags them as at image 1, at image 2, and at image 3. This acts exactly like variables in coding. In my text prompt, I don't even have to describe the products heavily. I just command the AI to pull them in sequentially. I literally wrote, start with hands unboxing at image 1, then cut to the kitchen counter with at image 2 brewing coffee, and finish by picking up at image 3 off the desk. This level of multi-subject control inside a single prompt is completely unheard of. Let's look at the final result.
Come along for my aesthetic haul. Unboxing my new Nike Dunks, setting up my Yeti travel mug for morning coffee.
Look at the final result. H3 seamlessly transitions across all 3 products in a single 15-second shot. It preserved the exact Nike swoosh, the Yeti logo, and the Apple aluminum finish, all while synthesizing a perfectly natural human voiceover. H3 is incredibly versatile. I generated this luxury skincare commercial using Omni Reference, and the macro skin textures, dewy lighting, and floating water droplets look like a high-end studio shoot.
As it repairs and renews, night after night.
It even dominates 3D character animation. In this Pixar-style test, the model handles rapid emotional mood swings perfectly, moving from anger to crying to a warm hug, with every cartoon sound effect perfectly synced to the motion. If you want to learn how to build these exact prompts and deploy AI into real revenue-generating business workflows, join my community at AI Money Forge. Inside our free Skool group, we build step-by-step video production SOPs and functional agent systems every single week. You get full access to our classroom vaults and guides. The link is in the description below. It is completely free to join. You can also check out the Forge Arsenal at theforgearsenal.com. Use our free ProFlight assessment tool to see if a workflow in your business can be automated. Grab our free starter blueprints or apply for our one-agent sprint where we build a custom workflow for you in just 7 days. Test out MiniMax H3 on Hailuo AI today, grab the templates in the community, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.